Ever wondered if you're getting enough sleep? It's a common misconception that we can function at our best with less sleep. We're often misled into believing that burning the midnight oil is a sign of productivity. But have you ever heard of the sleep cycle? It's an essential rhythm of our bodies, deeply intertwined with our health and well-being. Underestimating its importance can lead to serious consequences. What if you knew that not getting enough sleep could harm your health in the long run? Did you know that sleep is as essential to your health as food and water? Let's dive into the science behind sleep. It's a fascinating process that occurs in 5 stages, cycling between non-REM and REM sleep. The first 4 stages are non-REM, where your body relaxes, your heart rate slows, and your body temperature drops. This is when tissue repair and growth occur, energy is restored, and certain hormones are released. Then comes REM sleep, where our brains become more active. This is the stage associated with dreaming, and it's crucial for learning and memory. Our sleep is regulated by an internal body clock, or circadian rhythm, which syncs with the rise and fall of the sun. But what happens when we don't get enough sleep? Sleep deprivation can lead to mood changes, difficulty focusing, weakened immunity, and even long-term health issues like heart disease and obesity. As you can see, sleep is not a luxury, but a necessity for our bodies and minds to function properly. Now that you understand the science behind sleep, let's delve into why it's so crucial to our health. Sleep is more than just a time for your body and mind to rest. In fact, while you're getting your Z's, your body is busy on the job, improving and preparing for the next day. One of its main roles is memory consolidation. During sleep, your brain is like a hard drive, processing and storing new information. This helps improve your memory and learning capabilities. Sleep is also a mood booster. It rejuvenates your mind, leaving you happier and less prone to stress. It also strengthens your immune system, helping you fight off illnesses. Moreover, sleep can lower stress and inflammation in your body. These reductions can lead to a decreased risk of chronic illnesses like heart disease and diabetes. So the next time you think about skipping sleep, remember that it's not just about feeling rested. It's about keeping your body and mind in optimal health. We hope you now understand why sleep is so essential to your health. Remember, it's not just about the quantity, but also the quality of sleep that matters. Good sleep is the cornerstone of a healthy life, boosting your immune system, improving memory and mood, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. So, prioritize your sleep and see the difference it makes in your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. Sleep well, and we'll see you in the next video.